Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Gabriel. You can call me Gabby Angel for Gabby Angel Designs. In this video, we are coming to learn how to put your signature inside Word document. Before we start, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe so that anytime I upload any new video, you will be the first person to watch. Also, give us a like for this video so that we can get more recommendations. Thank you so much for doing so. So guys, the first step that you need to do is write your signature on a sheet of paper, or sign your signature on a sheet of paper like this. So guys, as you can see, this is the signature that I am coming to use. Open your Word document. Go to Insert. Come to Pictures. Select this device. After that, let's search for our signature. So this is our signature. Command Insert. So guys, after inserting the signature, come to picture format, come to crop. So guys, let's crop the unwanted areas. After that, command enter on your keyboard. So guys, as you can see, we are having this here. After that, click on layout option, select behind text. So as you can see, now we can drag the signature anywhere of the document. So guys, after that, come to color, choose black and white 50% like this. After choosing the black and white 50%, come to corrections, choose soften 50%. So guys, as you can see, this is our signature. Let's drag it here like this. So guys, if you want to save this signature for future use, just highlight this area, including the signature like this. And come to Insert. Come to Quick Path. Select Save Selection to Quick Path Gallery. After that, you can rename it Signature and command OK. So anytime you want to add your signature, there's no need for you to go and sign it on a sheet of paper. Just open your Word document, come to Insert, come to Quick Path. As you can see, we are having our signature here. Just click on it. So guys, as you can see, we are having our signature over here. This brings us to the end of today's tutorial. If you find it useful, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that anytime I upload any new video, you'll be the first person to watch. Don't forget to like this video and also comment under this video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.